Okay, example 2. The number of revolutions per minute is inversely proportional to the number of teeth in the gear. So, inversely proportional to, it could have been also said varies inversely as. Alright? Again, they mean the same thing. To be inversely proportional or vary inversely as, they mean the same thing. So, number of revolutions per minute, RPM, inversely proportion to the number of teeth. So again, if we just cut down to the specific things that are happening here, I know that RPM varies, so R equals K. Immediately something varies, it's R equals K. And then inversely means divided by T. So it's always K times something or K divided by something, so make sure that you identify the word that tells us what to do. Inversely means to divide. K is always in the numerator. The other thing could be in the numerator or denominator. Second statement. 40 teeth result in 100 RPM. So, R is equal to 100. And T is equal to 40. And K, we don't know what it equals yet. So 100 equals K over 40. Notice if you get an inversely proportional, it creates almost a proportion. If you put that over 1 now, it's a full proportion, right? So now if I cross multiply, I'm going to get 1 times K is equal to 100 times 40. And just like that, I get K is equal to 4,000. Again, K is going to be whatever it is for the specific problem you're given. So going back to the original structure, this is my original structure. I can modify that into R equals 4,000 over T. Once you know what K is, that's what it is for the remainder of the problem. So change it in the original statement to that. And then we move on to that question. It says, what would be the RPM? So in other words, what is R if the gear had 30 teeth? Okay, so 4,000 over 30, 133.33 RPM. Look at the context of the problem to establish how you should round things. If it was a cat and dog problem, we got 0.33, maybe you round to the nearest whole number, right? RPM could be in a fractional amount, right? Revolutions of 133 1/3 revolutions per minute. Every 3 minutes it'll go 400, so you have the ability to do partial revolutions. That makes sense. So 133.33 RPM. Sometimes they come out nice and pretty, sometimes they come out decimal. But again, look at what type of things are in your problem to establish how you should round.